wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best earwax removal kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, while not as bad for you as Q-tips, the etereauty ear picks should be handled with care. The double-ended rods let you massage, grab and scoop problem substances, and they're smoothly polished so they won't scratch your skin. The set includes a storage box, but they do require regular sterilization, and they may need help from eardrops. At number 8, if you don't mind lying on your side for half an hour with a pipette in your ear, Squip kyrosol will loosen waxy buildup so you can rinse it out. The package comes with 10 pipettes and a solution made of glycerol and sodium carbonate. A syringe controls the flow intensity, and the one-use pipettes prevent contamination. However, it may cause vertigo. Coming in at number 7 on our list. If you're trying to avoid using any harsh chemicals, take a look at the incredibly simple bofuya remover, which consists of a bulb, a syringe with replaceable tips, and a basin for keeping the area tidy while you're cleaning. It works with water or a saline solution and is one of the least expensive options, but it's not the most comfortable to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earwax removal kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Earwax MD is a far less risky tool for removing gunk from your auditory canals than a plastic or metal object would be. It consists of a micro-foaming mixture of safe chemicals supplemented by a bulb with enough volume to help flush out loosened material. It works in under half an hour and doesn't irritate the skin. However, it may leave some residual moisture. Moving up our list to number 5, designed for use with water or saline. The Flents acu-life has a flared tip on its syringe, so you can't push it in too deep in case you get overly enthusiastic. The spray flows outward to the canal wall, so your eardrum won't be directly impacted. It's safe to use regularly and can blow trapped water from your ear, but it may require several tries. At number 4, if the standard warm water treatment isn't getting the job done, debrox drops may be what you need to help the process along. They're made using an oxidizing solution that softens wax but won't dry the ear canal out like everyday hydrogen peroxide will. This one's frequently recommended by doctors and breaks down tough deposits. However, it takes a while to work effectively. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the bionix otoclear is expensive to put it mildly, but it offers pulsed irrigation, a higher volume of water than most, and 2 intensity settings. And if you buy a water pick tip for it, you can also use it to clean your gum line. It includes a rechargeable battery and 40 single-use tips. It produces no backsplash during use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earwax removal kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, though a bit pricier than the average irrigator, the RA Bock Diagnostics Ear Gator is great for treating family members who might need a helping hand. It comes with a Dr. Mom otoscope to examine the ear and a lighted curette to scrape away undesirable contents. It includes loop and scoop style tips and instructions written by a physician. The water swirls gently to avoid damage. And taking the top spot on our list, the comprehensive Equadose here has everything needed for safe care of blocked passages. This includes a pump-action bottle, scratch-free silicone tips, softener drops, and a reservoir for catching fluid and minimizing cleanup after use. It's safe for personal use and suitable for clinics. It doesn't cost very much either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for earwax removal kits, or simply click beneath this video.